What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on SPCE ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with some fundamental news about this company. And at the end of this video, I will show you my forecast for the short-term price action. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to take a part in the limited time offer from Webull and earn 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, just open new account, deposit only $5 and choose your free stocks, link in my description. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very point and we formed this candle, and I've told you that we have to break this 55 exponential moving average and close the candle above this line. And we have to have one more candle that is opened above 55 exponential moving average and closed above this line. But we don't have it. We have, instead of this, we have this red candle that broke this line, and with the huge volume, as you can see, this volume is higher than this one, and next candle also has very good volume. We broke this previous support line, and I've told you that we have more chances, if we will break it, to hit the level of 0.786. And basically we hit it, and for now we have a good short-term opportunity, and in details I will show you it in a matter of several minutes in my technical analysis. But first of all, let's continue with the company profile. For those of you who don't know what is this company about, Virgin Galactic Holdings, an integrated aerospace company, develops human space flights for private individuals and researchers in the United States. Its total market cap for now is $6.31 billion. They have a revenue of $571,000 with a negative revenue growth of 64.29% and a negative net income of $419.91 million. They have a very strong cash position of $551.62 million, and I have to say it is not the entire amount of their money, because let me show you their presentation. On cash and cash equivalents, they have more than $1 billion, and they have this amount of $552 million as marked right here. And on top of that, we have $500 million from the at-the-market equity offering that was on July 2021. And this means they have more than $1 billion to operate. This means from the financial standpoint, this company is extremely stable. So let me show you some news about this company. On Seeking Alpha on August the 20th, we have this article that is titled "Virgin Galactic is a wait-and-see stock at Bank of America." And let me quote you these bullets. Bank of America drops its price objective on Virgin Galactic Holdings to $25 from $41 as it points to an early and longer than expected maintenance and enhancement event for Eve mothership that will push the first commercial passenger flight to late Q3 2022, which is beyond the time range of the one-year PO. So, and previously they scheduled this flight on summer 2022, and for now it will be only on Q3, and definitely it is a bad sign. Analyst Ronald Epstein: "We found particularly surprising the lack of technical details about the planned improvements, only mentioned enhancing structural components, and management commentary about the enhancement still being at a design phase. The delayed commercialization strategy results in lower short-term earnings per share and free cash flow estimates." So, this news is not so good for the company, but let me remind you that they have planned their next flight, and let me show it to you. On their earnings presentation, they have a flight, they have Unity 23, and it will fly late September 2021. This means in less than 1 month we will see this next flight, and this will drive the price of Virgin Galactic stock up, at least on a short period of time. And let me show you this news. We are on yahoofinance.com, and this article was published on August 19th, and it's titled "Options Trader Takes Massive Position in Virgin Galactic Stock. Where is it headed?" And let me quote you first of all some negative news. On August 12th, Sir Richard Branson's Virgin Investments dumped $300 million worth in Virgin Galactic Holdings stock. The billionaire said the proceeds from the sale would go toward helping his other businesses recover from the COVID-19 pandemic. The day prior to Branson selling more than 10 million shares of his space tourism company, Morgan Stanley analyst Christine Lewak downgraded the stock from equal weight to underweight and gave a $25 price target. Although Unity 23 is expected to fly to space in September, Lewak noted Virgin Galactic's fleet will then be grounded until the summer of 2022, while the company enters a heavy maintenance period. So, and let me show you this news. On Wednesday, after the market closed, an institutional decided to take a gamble on Virgin Galactic by executing a block trade of common shares. The trader may believe Virgin Galactic has received massive interest in ticket sales or that the stock has bottomed near analysts' price target and purchased $17.29 million worth of shares. So, this huge buy is definitely showing the smart money direction. And at least for the short period of time, we have to have a bounce and we have to have this spike in price of their stock. And this event gives us very good opportunity to enter a trade and to catch some profits. So let me show you this news. We are on stocknews.com and I would just want to quote you two paragraphs of this news that is titled "Two space stocks Wall Street predicts will rally by more than 50%. And let me quote you. The commercial segment is the fastest advancing segment in the space sector and is expected to drive the future of the industry. Despite the pandemic downturns, commercial space activity grew 6.6% to nearly $357 billion in 2020, representing close to 80% of the total space economy. Backed by government funding and increasing private investments, the space industry is expected to keep growing. And so, Wall Street analysts predict space stock Virgin Galactic Holdings and Mixar Technologies to rally by more than 50%. And let me show you the forecast of TPRanks. Their lowest forecast is $25, and for now, the price of SPCE ticker is $24.53, as you can see right here. And average price is $36.67 per share, and the highest estimation is $51. And the average price target is at around 50% of upside. And I have to say that I partially agree with this estimation, and let me show you it in details. And before we dive deep right here into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, we have several key points, and for now we are hovering around the 0.786 Fibonacci level, a little bit lower than $25. And this might be your potential entry point if you want to catch the next movement to the upside. And let me show you that from this top we have formed 5 waves. This is the first wave, this is the second, third, fourth, and potentially we are at the bottom of the 5th wave, or potentially we are nearing this bottom. So we have some chances to hit lower targets. Right here we have strong support as well, and potentially we might hit even $20. And you have to be prepared to potential down movement, and you have to load your position by dollar cost averaging. So, and what are the targets? First of all, we have this prior support line that becomes a resistance, and from our current price to this point we might have about 19% of potential profits. But in my opinion, main target might be right here at this very top, and it is roughly 49.82%. So in a short period of time, by the launch of their Unity 23, we might have about 49% of potential profits. And I have to say it is quite risky trade because nothing is guaranteed, and we just have an anticipation of their success flight. And in my opinion, if you want to catch this trade, you can load your position right here and potentially dollar cost average your buys, and you should sell your position right before the Unity 23 will start. And this will protect your capital and this will protect your profits. So I think it's quite a good swing trade, and you have to be prepared to this, and that's why I'm making this video. So if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!